What's up everybody, and welcome to this amazing channel. So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending from where you'll be watching this video from. My good name is Irene Sap, and in case you are coming across to the channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, guys, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video. So it's actually on Sunday and it's very early in the morning. Just woke up like a few minutes ago, and the time is around 6. Let me check the time. I'm telling you, yeah, it's 6:14 a.m. in the morning, Kenyan time. And I'm right here. I just want to, because I'm preparing to go back to my home. This is not my home, guys. So I just came to visit, but today being on Sunday, I will go back home. Then I'll go to church. Yeah. So I want to do something. I want to prepare the porridge, guys, and I just want to take you. Yeah, I just want to take you through the process of how we make porridge here, the village, guys. So subscribe. It's very early in the morning, and it is super cold. Super cold. So this is our kitchen, and I'm actually going to make some porridge. Watch my face, guys. So I think we have this soak for the porridge, you know. This is the sugar. And I want to take this one right here. This is the pan. What is the pan with the I have to open this. It's closed. And also this one is gonna be very quick and very fast. actually stirring this. Right here. Here I have the sugar. I'm just going to put a little bit. That's enough. Porridge is very ready. That one was very fast, right? So I want to remove it from the fireplace right there, and I put it inside the jug, you know. Right here, I can be able to So I want to put it right here. Yeah. Can you see me? So this is our porridge. It's like 3 cups. Yeah, but, that is it, guys. And, I will wash this one later. So we're done. Now we close this one. Yes, like that. That one was very fast and quick. Very fast, guys. So it's our porridge right here. It's like 3 cups or 4. Yeah. Yes. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. And yeah, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe the channel, and hey, keep liking the video. That is the better way of supporting me, guys. Do I look sleepy? I don't know, but thank you, guys. Thank you, and bye.